What do you prefer, cats or dogs?
I prefer cats because they are friendly, but they sleep a lot.
What do you prefer, summer or winter?
I like winter because I like to wear a hat and scarf, and I love the snow.
What do you prefer, watching TV or reading?
I prefer reading because it's very relaxing.
What do you prefer, wearing a dress or wearing shorts?
I like wearing a dress. I wear a lot of dresses in the summer.
What do you prefer, long hair or short hair?
I prefer to have short hair, but long hair is beautiful.
What do you prefer, tea or coffee?
I like coffee, but I prefer tea.
What do you prefer, cake or biscuits?
I prefer cake.
Do you like biscuits?
I do like biscuits, but I love cake.
What do you prefer, mobiles or laptops?
I prefer the mobile phone because I always have my mobile phone with me.
What do you prefer, cooking or eating?
I prefer eating. I don't like cooking.
What do you prefer, hot weather or cold weather?
I like hot weather and cold weather, but I think I prefer the hot weather.
Do you prefer running or walking?
I don't like running, so I prefer walking.
And finally, do you prefer using pens or pencils?
I usually use pencils when I'm working, so I prefer pencils.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.